everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to use the auto posting and auto seeding features, which help your posts get more engagement and reach more people. Today, I'll walk you through the remaining features of the MKTX software. First, we have the commenting feature. You just select the content and choose whether you want the accounts to use the same comment or not. If you want multiple accounts to perform the exact same action, then enable the duplicate content option. Basically, the settings are very similar. The difference lies in the type of comment task you choose. We have three options. Comment on accounts. Simply enter the username. You can also choose extra actions after commenting, such as liking the post, reposting it, or bookmarking. Comment in communities. There are two types: communities you've already joined or specific communities you choose manually. Comment on posts. Here, you only need to paste the post link. Once you finish setting up, select the accounts you want to run and start the task. Next is keyword-based commenting. This feature works exactly the same. Enter your keywords. Tick the extra interaction options if you want, and then run the task. Overall, finally, we have the mass messaging feature on X. Just enter the usernames, set how many messages to send per batch, choose the interval, usually 10 to 20 seconds, and select how many accounts will send messages. Now, I'm going to run a quick test for you so you can see how it works. The software is very easy to use. It's perfect for users who want to grow quickly on X, whether you're in niches like OnlyFans or crypto, because you can post more, post faster, and compete with many others. With the time saved, you can focus more on content quality or simply rest, which in my opinion leads to much better results.